Alrighty.
As we all know, bushfires have raged across Australia this winter, causing massive damage and destroying huge swaths of wilderness and wildlife.
This is a scary and complicated environmental issue, so here to talk about it, please welcome our senior and animal enthusiast correspondent, Max.
Hello, Jerry. As you know, over 1 billion animals are endangered due to the horrific bushfires in Australia. And guess whose fault it is?
George Lopez.
No. Well, I mean, technically, yes. Not like the whole thing. But he did probably, partially. But I'm not saying that George Lopez started the Australian bushfires. Don't put words in my mouth.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not. Whose fault is it?
Humans, including but not limited to George Lopez. Right. Well, experts believe that droughts and heat waves highly worsened by climate change have contributed to the problem. And there are even reports of individual people going around starting bushfires.
But the Australian government says they didn't do anything. It can't be their fault.
No. Environmental activists around the world are really pissed off about that. My environmentalist friends and I actually wrote a song about the Australian government refusal to take responsibility for causing these wildfires. And it's even set to the tune of a Billy Joel song.
Oh, I think I know where this is going.
Billy Joel song, Starting Fires. Yeah, I know where this is going.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday, and Australia's still on fire. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic engine.
I get it, because the old man is a metaphor for the Australian government.
Yeah, 'cause they're all like, we didn't start the fire, even though they did.
Right, well, these fires are really terrible. Animals are dying. And because of the sheer number of casualties, they're often just reported as figures, instead of the real people that they are.
Well, Max, they are animals though, right?
That doesn't mean you can dehumanize them. And so, we'd like to take a moment to remember all those brave animals we have lost in the Australian bushfires. Look at the star. Kangaroos will pop.
Sorry, I believe it's Tuatay.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Timothy Wellesley. Joey. Ostriches Nixon. Morocco pasta. Shell pasta. Sasha. George H.W. Bush. Cool. Bernie Sanders. Marsupi Al Yankovic. E. Mulan. Mar Sir Paul.
That one's a thinker.
Thank you, Max. Truly devastating loss.
May their memories be a blessing.
Next time.